So today we are going to discuss about the centrifugal clutch and how it is work actually. The centrifugal clutch are used in this type of vehicles, two-wheeler, scooty and lunas. So centrifugal clutch is basically, it is a automatic type clutch. So in this case we just raising the speed of the engine and the crankshaft and it will automatically work. So let's see how it is work actually. Here is the primary clutch. So this is the constant plate, fixed plate is there, and this one is the moving, and this is the belt which is connected to the rear secondary clutch, and this one is the fixed and this one is moving. Okay, so first one is left side is moving and here is the outside is moving, right side is moving. So maximum diameter, initially this is the minimum diameter and that is maximum diameter. So in this case, so minimum diameter to maximum diameter, higher torque. In the case of the starting of the vehicle, we need the high torque, high power. At that time the diameter of the driver is less and driven is higher. So when it will move, so what will happen? So when it will move, the diameter of the driver will increase. Let's see how it is increase. So this is rollers or flywheel, it is told. When it will increase the speed, these rollers will moving outward. Moving outward. Let's see. Let's see. This is the ram plate. It is fixed and pushing the plate towards outside here. When it will moving at higher speed, the diameter will increase. The diameter will increase and the diameter of the driven will reduce. Let's see this one. Okay, when we will reduce the speed again, when it will reduce the speed again, then it will again contact to the original position. So in the case of the driven or secondary clutch, these are the clutch shoes. So clutch shoe, how it is work actually, when it will rotate at a higher speed, then this will moving outward, this will moving outward. So at that time what will happen, it is engaged to the outer side clutch drum, it is told as the clutch drum, outer side of the clutch drum. Okay, this one is the clutch drum. So when it is engaged, then it is connected to the rear drives, then it will rotate. Let's see how it is work actually. Let's see how the clutches are working. So here is the primary clutch and here is the secondary clutch. This is engaged to the engine and this is connected to the rear wheel. So how it is work we will see now. When this primary clutch is engaged to the engine, when it will start the rotating initially, this is the primary. So diameter is small diameter and this one is the high diameter. So when it is engaged, the diameter will increase gradually. After the increasing the speed, gradually the diameter of the driver will increase and the driven will reduce, so that we will get the higher amount of RPM. We will get the higher amount of RPM. Let's see. So it will initially rotate driver, which is engaging, and the diameter of this one is increased and the diameter of this one is reduced. So we will get the higher RPM rate at the time of peak speed. So this is working like this. The diameter of this one is increased and diameter of this one is reduced. Like this, the scooty clutch both are working like this. So increasing and decreasing. When speed will increase, the diameter will increase and this diameter is reduced. This one is the driver and this one is the driven. So like this all are working. The top view. So first it is increase the speed, driver speed, engine speed when it is increased. When it is engaged, the diameter of the driver will increase and the diameter of the driven will reduce. So both are, this one is the primary clutch, this one is the secondary clutch. discuss about the CVT, continuously variable transmission, or this type of technology are used in the scooty and the scooters. So in the case of where is the only accelerator is there, and inside there two clutches are there. This one is the primary clutch and this one is the secondary clutch. So these type of clutch are also known as the centrifugal clutch. So these two clutches are different types and different type of functions are there. So here this one is the for a primary clutch, it is also a centrifugal clutch, and this one is the secondary clutch, also a secondary clutch and the centrifugal clutch. So now if we discuss about the first one, this is known as the primary clutch. So now I will discuss. So here is the belt. This one is the primary type clutch. Here is the gear. Here is the mounting is there. So inside this, okay. So inside here is the V type of shape, and the belt is mounting here. Inside this, what will be there? I will show you. Look at this. So this is the fly balls are mounted here. If we rotate this one at a constant speed, so it will move to the upward. It will move to the upward like this. Like this, it will move upward. So when it is move upward, so at that time, what happened actually? So this pinion, the casing will move. This will move forward. So that's why this cone will move like this. So what will happen actually? So this is a cone shape. This is the cone shape. It will move like this. Then here is the bush. If it is moved, so what will happen? The diameter of the V shape will reduce. Again, see it is belted. So see here. Here is the primary clutch. If we rotate a higher speed, so it will pushes this belt and it will come upward. Means diameter of this one is increased. Again, if we reduce the speed, it will come back again. The diameter of the belt will reduce in the initial condition. If you reduce pushes, then what will happen? It will pushes, the diameter will increase like this. So it is the increase, again it is reduce like this. So this is the main function of the primary clutch. Okay, so let's discuss about the secondary clutch. So it is connected to this one is the secondary clutch. Initially the diameter is higher at the starting condition. When it is rotating at a constant speed, then what will happen? Here is the clutch shoe are there, clutch shoe. So when it is rotate, and here is the clutch drum. This one is the clutch drum. Okay, when it will rotate at a higher speed, then what will happen actually? Please remove this one. What will happen actually? Like this, it will move like this. So what will happen? Put it the belt. When it is moving, then the diameter of the pulley belt is reduced. So it will increase the speed like this. Okay, and when it will increase the speed, then that is connected to this drum, and drum is connected to the rear axle of the rear. This is connected to the rear axle of the scooty. Okay, so this is the working of the secondary clutch. So this is the all total function of the primary clutch and the secondary clutch. We will brief on the theory classes also. Thank you.